Now I am going to make a peanut egg curry. So we will see how the peanut egg curry is going to be as simple as that I am going to do, and to serve with pasta. Okay. To make a nice preparation of peanut egg curry, a little butter I have put and a little oil I am using. Now what we are going to do is, I am going to use the 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix it well. Into that I am going to use the milk. Fresh milk I am going to use here. Say about 1 cup I have used. If it is necessary, we will use a little more. Mix it nicely. I am using a little bit of curry paste. Curry paste that I have got it here is this curry powder. I have mixed with a little water and I have added it. Along with that, now I am going to add the green peas. Along with that, salt. Salt is very important. A little turmeric and a little pepper, just a wee bit of pepper. We put all these things together, nicely mix it, and I put only 1 cup of milk. It was just a fresh milk, 1 cup. Now I am adding a little more and let that get nicely cooked and become thick. 1 teaspoon of sugar also I have put. One more thing I have to put is chicken cube or a fish cube. See, now this has got thickened. We don't need anything else. Nicely it has got thickened. Now I will pour into the dish. Now we need the eggs. Cut the eggs into half, full boiled eggs. Now we are using the peanuts. I have just slightly roasted the peanuts and kept. Peanuts are going into this. A little bit of parsley in between to go with this. This is very nice, and we are going to serve with pasta. So we will quickly do a pasta preparation and see how to serve this with pasta. So what we will do is put a little butter. As soon as the butter melts, pasta. What did I do for this pasta? Actually pasta I have boiled and kept it, but whatever pasta, now pasta dishes we do it separately for you. But anyway, I am just showing you a simple way of doing the pasta, because this is something to go with that egg preparation. So what I did was, I put a little water, pasta, a teaspoon of butter or oil, and we boiled uncovered for 8 minutes. So this, now I am frying this. Slightly stir frying with a little bit of butter. While I am stir frying, I will use salt into that, pepper into that. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to use a little milk. Fresh milk I am using. Actually it's nice and tasty. So what we have to do is, you boil this nicely, add a little bit of milk separately. I kept a teaspoon of corn flour, mix it well and put it into this. I am going to add the cheese into it. This pasta preparation is ready for us. We'll put into this the balanced cheese. I am going to put it now, and olives. I have some olives which we will put some olives on top, and a little bit of parsley I need, which we have to slightly chop it up and use it. I made the peanut egg curry. Something different and simple as that. So anyway, it's going to be tasty, so that you can try it out, because next episode I'll come out with something else and something really different. Okay, so till then I will go and say bye to you till I meet you with the next episode.